Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's begin! So, as you can see, there is no screen flickering whatsoever, there is not. However, if we would expand our control center and lower the brightness a little bit, you will start noticing some weird issues, at least on certain cameras. Luckily, it's not the camera I'm currently on, but it is related to shutter speed. If you have some sort of poor camera quality, then on low brightness you will probably notice some weird flashing, and this is because of Samsung's and also Google Pixel's, if anyone's curious, shutter speed, which results in this weird glitchy effect. There isn't a fix to it. To be honest, you want to get a better camera with different shutter speeds to match it, and then you won't really see anything. However, and also you can go into the settings, into display right here, and make sure that adaptive brightness is disabled, because otherwise the adaptive brightness will just randomly lower or increase the brightness of your device, and then you might have some troubles. However, let's say you are suffering from other screen flickering, maybe the one that you have when receiving a notification. So, I have prepared a nice routine that is showing cast notification. It doesn't really matter what notification has, but what's important is that whenever I actually enable this, you will see a screen flash whenever I receive that specific notification. And by the way, you should subscribe to HardReset.Info channel, it really helps us grow. But how can we possibly fix that? Well, we want to scroll almost all the way down into the settings, then head into accessibility, then click advanced settings, and lastly enter flash notification, and you will notice that this is the thing that actually makes our screen flash whenever we receive anything. As you can see, we can preview it, and this is how it looks, giving us a weird screen flicker effect. And in order to disable it, you want to simply disable screen flash notification. And now if we head into modes and routines and play our notification, you will notice that there is no screen flicker to be found. And by the way, if you want to learn more about routines and modes, you can always watch my full tutorial on that topic right here on our channel for every Samsung device ever. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.